You searched how to buy shares of Guangzhou Automobile. Guangzhou Automobile is a large Chinese car maker listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, ticker 2238, HK. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and here we use eToro as an example. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 2238 HK to find the exact listing. Select the result that matches Guangzhou Automobile on HKEX to make sure it is the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name and ticker match before proceeding to buy. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review your order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or you can set a limit. If you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your position appears in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to learn more.